Today I'm going to walk you through a quick DIY fix for a toilet tank that's filling very slowly. Now, this same fix will usually also solve a toilet that keeps running, or one that makes a loud whistling noise at the end of the fill cycle. And if this quick fix doesn't solve your problem, I'll show you a few other options that still only cost about $10 and take less than an hour. So this is absolutely worth doing yourself instead of calling a professional. Alright, let's jump into it, understanding the parts. Before we start, let's go over some quick terminology. This right here is the most common fill valve I see, the Fluidmaster 400 series. This is the top cap. This is the float, which moves up and down. Here's the adjustment screw. This small hose is the refill tube, and that runs into the overflow tube. Normally, everything you see here minus the overflow tube comes together as one kit you can buy at almost any home improvement store. As the tank fills, the float rises, the lever arm comes up, and once it reaches the set level, the water shuts off completely. At that point, you shouldn't hear or see any water movement at all. The problem: here's my issue. When I flush the toilet, the tank drains but the refill is extremely weak. There's just a slight hiss, barely any water coming in, and no flow at all through the refill tube. So let's fix that. Step 1. Remove the cap and flush the valve. First thing, turn the water off. Back at the tank, loosen the adjustment screw and pop it off so the float is no longer connected to the arm. Now, hold the base and rotate the top cap a quarter turn counterclockwise, then lift it straight off. This bottom piece right here is usually the problem, the rubber seal. Before we replace it, slightly turn the water back on to flush out the valve. Cup your hand over the top and do not open the water all the way, or it could shoot up and hit the ceiling. We're just flushing out debris, mineral buildup, or broken seal pieces so nothing jams the valve later. Step 2. Replace the seal. Now remove the old seal, it comes off easily. Just be careful not to bend the small metal rod in the center. This is a Fluidmaster 400 series seal, but it fits many Fluidmaster valves. It only costs a couple of dollars and is available at any home improvement store. I'll also link it below for reference. If you compare them side by side, you'll notice the old seal has lost flexibility. That bottom sealing surface is sticking down, which prevents proper water flow. That's exactly what caused my problem. Step 3. Reassemble and test. Install the new seal onto the cap, making sure it's seated correctly on the center rod. Place the cap back on the fill valve, press down, and rotate it a quarter turn clockwise until you hear it click. Reconnect the adjustment screw. Since we didn't change the setting, it should already be at the correct height. Now let's test it. Turn the water back on, and right away, we've got strong flow through the refill tube, water entering the overflow, and the tank filling normally. Problem solved. That simple seal replacement has been the most common fix I've seen over the years, and hopefully it solved your issue too. If you've got questions or something doesn't look right, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if this didn't fix it, don't worry. You can rebuild almost every part of a toilet. Seals, gaskets, fill valves, flappers, everything. It's a very approachable DIY project. Our friend Carlos over at the DIY Plumbing Guide channel has a full walkthrough, and I'll link you directly to the timestamp where he replaces this exact Fluidmaster 400 series valve. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.